Your future isn't built in one big moment. It's built in what you do today repeatedly. We all want big results, a great body, success, money, respect. But we chase big actions and ignore small habits because small habits feel useless. But here's the truth no one tells you. Small habits are invisible until they become your identity. If you improve just 1% every day, you don't stay the same. You multiply. Day by day, you become someone unrecognizable. One push-up today means nothing, but one push-up every day becomes strength. One page today feels small, but daily reading becomes knowledge. Habits compound, just like interest, but this works both ways. One day of laziness, harmless. Repeated laziness becomes your life. You don't rise to goals. You fall to your systems. You're not trying to get fit. You're becoming a person who trains daily. Motivation fades. Discipline stays. You won't always feel like doing it, but winners don't rely on feelings. Wake up. Do the habit. Repeat. No drama. No overthinking. Just consistency. One day, you'll look back and realize small habits built a powerful life. Start small. Stay consistent. Your future is watching.